Welcome to TANFON installation team. My name is Engineer John Felix Joshua, one of the TANFON installation team in Nigeria. Right now, we have successfully completed the installation of TANFON residential energy system and also TANFON commercial energy system. So we are here to give you a very comprehensive guide and support and give you the best out of energy generation in Nigeria. We installed systems in Abuja. We install systems in Lagos. Right now, we are in Jalingo, the capital city of Taraba State. As a TANFON official installer, we are here to give you the best out of solar energy. So here, we give you installation guides, installation support. Also, if you have any challenges with your energy system within 72 hours, that's 2 days, we will be right there at the site to offer support and solve any energy challenge and problem that you have. As a professional installers, we will give you free we'll give you free installation help, also design, free installation design, and also give you efficient supply of solar energy system.